everyone. So I've made it to IKEA. I really don't want to go to an empty like apartment right now. So I decided, I was meeting with our group we have these huge projects due on Friday, and one of the girls in there, I was telling her that I kind of wanted to check IKEA out. She's like, you should go. It's not that far. So here I am. I thought I'll do something because I can't go tomorrow because our projects, we're gonna be meeting and doing, you know, building our PowerPoint and everything for that. And then Friday after class, I'm just gonna want to go straight home. So this is my last chance. So here I am. I'll do a little video for you. So far it seems like kind of a big warehouse of stuff, so I'm a little confused. So my classmates said that the upstairs is different, so I'll have to head upstairs and see what all the hype is about. As I told my friend, I'm like, I'm just not really into modern style anyway, or whatever it is, style. So I was just coming to look around. I know they have other things like dishes and knickknacks and things. So I guess that's what I'll be looking at. Oh, okay. We got candles. Plants. Well, that's different. I didn't know they have plants. Aloe vera. I've already got aloe vera, so I don't need one of those. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, that's a neat little watering can. One I have is plastic. $20 metal watering can. We've got lanterns. What are these? Charger place? I don't know. Halloween, which I'm not into anyway. What's all of this? Oh. Are those bowls? No idea. More candles. Paper candles. What is this? What is this thing? Is it a light? This. Decorative light. Okay, we've got potpourri. I went to the restroom and then I went towards the cafe. I think you're supposed to go the other way. So I am kind of lost. Not really sure where I am or where I'm supposed to go. News headline: Chaplain lost in IKEA. Does not know what the heck is going on. Okay, we have a plate with a leopard on it. Is that what that is? That's plastic. What is this? What is this thing? Oh. Okay, put your candle on that, I'm assuming. Got fans. Just little trinket things that I don't need. What are these? Signs. I don't need any of that either. What is this? Oh, book lover pack? No, it just says book lover. What is this pack? I have no idea. Training weight. Okay. Moving on. Okay, we're at lamps. I see some decorative pillows. Those are kind of cute. Really bright against that light. The pillow I kind of like. Not really my colors. I don't do orange and blue much. So I like that it's embroidered. That's nice. What is this thing? Just like a little table?
I think that was also. I think all that they wanted that field trip.
Made in Brazil. That's where my husband is right now. That's crazy. Doesn't really say what it is. I don't know. Oh, I think it's a crate. It's one of these crates. Okay. See, a lot of this is like really modern style, which is not my thing. Oh, this is where you can hide cables. Now that is very useful. I might get one of those. I like the clear bins like this. I have plenty of those. I could just clear some out of my garage. I have tons in there. What are these? Okay. Is that to wrap a cord around? I'm lost. Wall fitting. I don't understand what that is for. Okay. Ultra modern door pulls. Okay. Should I get a basket? No, because that would imply that I was going to fill it up. I don't want to do that. I would like to get out of here as quickly as possible. Okay, cat beds, which we have. It says cushion, but it looks like a cat bed to me. How in the world do I get out of here? Okay, I already went through there. I need to find the stairs so I can go upstairs. Oh, I hope this isn't like winding around for 45 minutes. Another dead end. How do I get out? Okay, carpets, rugs. I don't need any of this. What is this for? A bear rug? I mean, I don't know what I would do with this. Christmas is over, and we are all over it. Okay, pillows. I am one of those people that's always buying pillows because I'm always looking for the perfect pillow, and then once I find one I like, it doesn't seem to last very long, and I have to buy another one. So I do buy a lot of pillows, but I'm not trying to get one today. See, I've already been on all my kicks of buying curtains, buying bedding, this, that, and the other, so I am really not in the market for anything right now. Buckets. I don't know what I'd do with those. This is all bathroom stuff. A little squeegee might be handy. Not getting it. Soap dispensers, mirrors. Am I in kitchen stuff? Again, I do like kitchen gadgets. I really do like kitchen gadgets. These knives might be good. The only thing is I buy things and then I put them away, and then when I go to use them, I don't know where the heck I put it. So that's one thing I don't want to do. And knives are always too big for my hand. I need one that fits me, so I would not want to get these because the first two are huge. So maybe I could buy like this one that kind of fits. So there are quite a lot of little kitchen things. I do like the salad spinner, and that's smaller, so I think I do want to get one of those. Okay, so now I'm carrying around this bag that I have stuff in. Lord, I just need to get out of here. So I talked to someone and they said I was still on the first floor. So I guess the second floor is more like furniture. What the heck is this supposed to be for? Like, why would you need... Well, I'm trying to figure this out. What would you need? What do they call this in English? Oh, okay. I don't even have a deep fryer, so I'll let that go. These are like little kids things. Oh, that's cute. Wooden train tracks. Bunk beds. Oh yeah, let me put all my shoes on little things like this. That would take me hours upon hours. Not to mention the fact that I don't think I have enough room to do all of that. Hangers. I like the velvet hangers. I mean, those look good, but I'm gonna switch it up now. Closet. Like California closets where they come and customize your closet for you. Well, that would be a dream, wouldn't it? Okay, bedroom and furniture. Now I'm tired and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get through here as quickly as I can. Mattresses. We just bought a mattress about 2 years ago, so, and actually all the beds in the house are new. So we don't need any of that. This reminds me of when you're in Vegas and you have to walk through the casino and they wind you around and it takes like 30 minutes and you can't get out any other way. That's what this feels like. Okay, so this is the bed that one of our life group people had said they went to get. That looks cute. But it just doesn't seem that much different than other little beds you see out there. Like, I just don't get it. This is like Corel wear. It has the same feel as the Corel wear that doesn't break. Okay, now I've got a cart because I saw this little laptop table that looked really nifty when I'm writing papers, so now I've got that. And I've got to get out of here before I grab anything else because I'm gonna have to bring all this stuff back with me in the car. Signs. Okay, well. That's an interesting chair. A baby thing. Kind of cool. Okay, I'm in the elevator. I think I've found the checkout. And I will a few of the things I got once I get to the car.